Hey everybody, Greg here. So markets have gotten a little extended. Highway volume going to get light here. It's typically what happens after the holiday. Anyway, this 55.50 strike was the biggest open interest in volume today. And usually whenever's the highest volume, once it reaches there, it's at the money. People start exiting positions, give or take a little bit. You can see it's over there a little bit. You can see the topping tail beginning to form on the 65-minute as this is pulling back. I don't think it's going to collapse today, but I think that's been a hell of a run since earlier in the week, bar by bar, green, continuing to go up. So likely to stall. It's all about the semis and the fangs, and we could take a quick peek at that. Let me throw the Qs in here. You can see same thing, up and up and up. It's beginning to stall, pull back on the 5-minute. AMD came on strong. Finally, this whippy price action. Meta broke out. Even Intel came out of the base. Looks like maybe the start of a little catch-up trade as others stall. Looking at NVIDIA, I think if it just will hang here, it could be a long on Monday. We got a bullish 1, 2, 3, wide range bar up. Inside, it's just stalled, underperforming today, obviously, but maybe it'll take off. Old Rambus. I haven't looked at that in a long time. This one maybe plays a little catch up into the semiconductor. Google doing tremendous. Looks like continue to keep going. Looks like it poked a little bit above 190, so probably likely to stall as well at that number. And what else is moving today? Well, the biggest mover on the S&P ETFs is communications. That's moving up, looks pretty good. Followed by technology, of course, greater than 100% retracement. You got to watch for this thing to begin to stall. No sign of it yet. Even the 65-minute looks pretty darn good still. Staples, not doing much of anything. The Dow just continues to flip-flop back and forth, doing absolutely nothing. Microsoft, new highs. So all the same stocks dragging it up. Walmart looks like it could maybe take out that high. And what else here? There's plenty of dogs out there. Even with interest rates coming down as much as they are, this can't go up. Kind of a underlying bearish influence maybe coming on for the markets. We'll see next week. See how much interest rates have pulled back here, and that's not helping construction. Home Depot, it's not helping unless I look. Lennar, which is breaking down. So these things should be going up as interest rates come down as much as they are, and they're not. So suggesting that consumers are withdrawing a bit, and people, the jobs report this morning showing more people going for unemployment claims. But that's what's driving the markets. The belief that the Fed is going to lower interest rates. Now it's like over 75% for September. Now, as long as something doesn't surprise the markets, that certainly could help continue to inch the markets up a little bit. I pointed out in the green room a little while ago, maybe that these Qs, they're 5 points away from 500. Could that be in the cards today? Maybe. I mean, it's getting not late in the day, but Friday things kind of get quiet down. But I think next week, the way this looks, maybe it's going to tag 500 and big whole number there. Even if it pokes over a little bit, it's probably going to stall. Financials, not doing much of anything. I thought they would have to join the party to drag the S&Ps up, but having Apple and Microsoft and Google and the rest of the institutional favorites, it pulled the S&Ps up without the financials. So there's plenty of charts out there that are just erratic messes of uncertainty, and a few markets moving higher. And, we'll see how far they go. Enjoy the weekend. If you have any questions, as always, email us, Greg and Dan at Master Trader.